Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and of course, welcome to your daily update on Solana. Very much necessary in these market circumstances. Bitcoin has been super strong. I mean, the thing at this moment is that Bitcoin has been very strong, but the Bitcoin dominance has also been quite strong, and it's getting towards the top we made Monday evening. So that means that altcoins are still lagging behind a bit. Ethereum is following very nicely. I mean, you can see that Ethereum is also picking up some speed as opposed to or related to Bitcoin. In relation to Bitcoin, yeah, I'm not sure what I said right there, but Solana itself, I mean, obviously is bullish, all right? And we talked about that yesterday as well. I did a quick video on the new Solana meme coin yesterday evening, and fundamentally Solana right now is doing great. So there's nothing bearish I can say about that, but we haven't made, well, we're higher than we were on Tuesday, yesterday morning. But we haven't broken above our main resistance level, and we're also not higher than we were the 25th of December. And that is the main difference as opposed to Bitcoin. Solana topped way before Bitcoin topped, and right now we're not even at those levels, while Bitcoin is much higher, all right? About 20% higher, I believe. If I do the math correctly, which, no, not 20%, wow, 12 or something. But altogether, I mean, that might be a little bit of a negative start to this video. Altogether, the fundamentals for Solana are still super strong. And there's nothing bad you can say about the technicals either. Because even with the little scare we had yesterday and the little bit of bearish momentum, Solana respected the 28 EMA heavily, all right? So it did not even touch the 382. So even with some bearish momentum across the markets, Solana was holding on strong. The fundamentals are great. And if you look at some other statistics right here, I think Bitcoin is nearing a key resistance level. So that is relevant for Solana because we all know that Solana is for 94% correlated to Bitcoin. That's just the truth, all right? We'll have to live with that. So Bitcoin hitting a resistance is relevant for Solana as well. But if you look at the numbers for Solana, like the open interest is getting towards the same levels we were at yesterday. Altogether, it looks like the open interest is going to break out here because open interest sometimes does work like that. At some point of time, look, Solana, the open interest, so the amount of open positions right now is around 1.75 billion. At some point of time, that's going to break, and at some point of time, we're going to rally. We're getting some short liquidations here, and RSI is relatively high, but altogether, at this moment I see no reason why Solana would not break out. Now, if Bitcoin really finds resistance quickly at 51,500, for example, and starts to come back down a little bit, sure. Well, I mean, then we'll see some resistance for Solana as well. But altogether, I mean, like Solana could drop down to $106, and I would still expect it to eventually break above our main resistance level, right here between 117 and 116. All right, and the moment we break above that, we're on. All right, where 125 is still my main price target. But if we start to look at some where some liquidity pockets are, because those usually work as magnets, as most of you know, but if you don't know, now you do. If we look at where most of those are to the supply side, what you'll see is that there's not much, but we can also not see that high up. But I think there's a lot around 135. So even though 125 is my main price target, after getting that breakout above 117.5, 135 is my ultimate next price target, the new top, not new all-time high, of course, but still. And I mean, if we break above 117, I would be surprised if we don't get up to 135 later. All right, but I'll keep you updated on this. For now, very bullish on it. We might have a bit of a pullback from 117 again, depending on what Bitcoin does. So keep an eye out for that. Don't get over leveraged now and don't have tight stop losses. But altogether, I don't have much bearish to say about Solana, honestly. All right, so those are my thoughts. If you do have any questions, if you want to, or let me know down in the comments. If you want to follow my trades and what I'm doing in these market circumstances, check out my premium and signal group. Links to that will be down in the description as well. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.